Gums are probably one of the most widely used ingredients in modern cooking. With so many types of gums, there is an understandable confusion of which type works best in a recipe. There is Arabic gum, guar gum, konjac, locust bean gum, xanthan gum and terra gum. Any gum can be added to any recipe, but the results will drastically vary depending on which type you choose. Each gum has its own characteristics with its own set of benefit and shortcomings. As an example, you can interchange terra gum for xanthan gum in a 1:1 ratio, but these two gums have different thickening properties. Terra bean gum comes from the tree of the sisal Pinea spinosa, grown in Peru. A small amount can thicken a lot. As a result, terra gum is used as a thickener in a wide range of foods, such as ice cream, bakery products, processed meats, and sauces. It is highly effective, and it takes just a touch of terra gum to add an unbelievable creaminess and mouthfeel to ice creams, sorbets, and gelatos, and really lets the flavor through. To use it, you would add 0.25% for an improved mouthfeel to 0.75 or even 1% for a thicker, creamier mix. It is partially cold water soluble, but it is completely soluble at a temperature of 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Terra gum's characteristics make it an excellent natural option in a number of food products, including baked goods such as cakes, pies, fillings, and toppings. For gluten-free bread, follow the recipe, but instead of any other gum, add 3 teaspoons of dry terra gum powder for outstanding results. Terra gum is used in fruit preparations in low-sugar jams and jellies. You can add about 0.25% for a thinner mix up to 1% for a thicker recipe. Terra gum is often used in the production of noodles and pasta. The amount varies depending upon the recipe. It provides a natural thickening to sauces, too. Use about 0.25% up to 1%. Terra gum is added to foods and beverages because it acts as a stabilizing, thickening, and gelling agent that improves the viscosity and texture of food products. These key factors help to improve the quality and shelf life of foods that contain this common hydrocolloid. Terra gum is less viscous than guar gum and more viscous than locust bean gum. As the happy medium, terra gum offers a smooth flow compared to guar gum's tendency to produce more cohesive textures. Terra gum also exhibits a clean flavor profile, while guar gum can sometimes have a slight odor and off flavor. As a result, terra gum is often the preferred option, that is depending upon the end application. It will replace locust bean gum in most applications. It mixes in easily. It hinders ice crystal formation. It is flavorless and has good flavor release. It makes sorbet and ice cream the same texture. It adds a creaminess to the sorbet that it scoops the same as an ice cream. Give it a try the next time you take out your ice cream maker. Cape Crystal Brands offers terra gum in 2-ounce, 8-ounce and 14-ounce sizes. It is vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO and certified kosher.